Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video with a package that I got from Peachi Plants. I am really excited about this. Yes, I opened it a little bit. I didn't go through it or anything. I just, a girl gets curious. I'm really excited about this though. Peachi Plants is a small business. It's women ran and owned, so shout out. I love that so much. Anyways, I'm really excited. They wanted to send me a box of goodies, and who am I to say no? So here we are. So let's get into it. Number one, love their logo. So cute, so dainty. I'm just obsessed with it. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be obsessed with these products. So let's just get into it. Like I said, I opened this up briefly and then I saw how cute the inside looked and I was like, girl, we need to do an unboxing video. That's what we need to do. So then I closed it up and here we are. Okay, guys. I think I know what this is, but we're gonna open it together. The little thing popped off because I started to open it and then I aggressively resealed it and it was a whole thing. I do that sometimes. But let's open this up. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's exactly what I thought it was and I'm so excited. Look how adorable this print is though. Like, first of all, come on. And then, oh my gosh, their logos, the patch is on. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is a gardening bag and I'm obsessed with it. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. Look at all of these pockets. There's pockets all over the place. There's plenty of space inside. Guys, is it socially acceptable for this to be my purse? Because I love this so much. I just want to take it everywhere with me. Is that socially acceptable? I feel like it'd be socially acceptable to go to like a plant shop or like a nursery with this as my bag, right? Like, I think I'm gonna do it. I don't know. There's no shame in the game. This is adorable and I love it. Look at this print though. Like, just look at this print. I love this so much already, you guys. I know I'm gonna love whatever the rest in here, but like, so far she's a 10 out of 10 and we love to see it. Okay, I'm gonna put that right there. We're gonna continue going. Okay, I love this paper. This is so cute. I love, it's the whole package for me, guys. It's the whole package. Okay, what do we got? Do you hear that? We got a glass straw. And if life has taught me anything, where there's a glass straw, there's something to put the glass straw in. So let's keep going. That was so cheesy. I'm sorry, guys. But I mean, you've stayed here, so. Yes, I started opening this also. And yes, I stopped myself also. Because I was like, no, Brittany, unboxing video. So all I saw was just this. That's all I saw, guys. Okay, so I'm going into this blind. Oh, okay. Okay. Stop, you guys. Look how cute. Oh, I love it. It's glass, so it's beautiful quality. And then if I look in the box, there's a little cute wooden topper. It's probably bamboo actually, but we're gonna call it wood. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then, guys, I was right. Look at this. Look at that. You guys, this is adorable. You know what? I am not one of those girls, and there's nothing wrong with these girls either. Like, I aspire to be one of these girls. I'm not one of the girls that does iced coffee videos and makes iced coffee in general. But I feel like now I have to. Like, you can't just have one of these cups and not start making iced coffee, right? Like, so I usually drink my coffee black, but like, because I have this cup now, I'm about to add cream. I'm about to add whipped cream. I'm about to add caramel sauce, caramel, however you want to say it. I'm about to add it, and we're gonna make some videos with this cup. I mean, come on, guys. Like, how cute. I'm gonna look adorable sipping this cup. Like, the Monstera leaves are giving me life. I'm so excited. And honestly, I love anything that I can make noise with. I'm a very noisy person. I'm a very loud person. So anything that I can like be a little extra with, we're gonna be a little bit extra. Okay, I'm obsessed. Let's see. I don't know if there's anything left in here. Oh my God, there is something left in here. Okay. A sticker. Oh my gosh, it's like they know me. Honestly, my water bottle that I'm making eye contact with across the room right now has a bunch of stickers on it. And I just think that we have to add her to the collection. So cute. Look at that. Plant parent. Plant parent. I am a plant parent. I'm a crazy plant parent. I'm so excited for this. And I think that is it, guys. Yes, that is it. I put over here, I know it fell out. Ooh, okay. This, Brittany, thank you for your support. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, honestly, you guys, this is something that I really, really love and appreciate about any small business that I've done, any kind of like product review, or, you know, product content for. I love when small businesses send me cute little personalized notes in my stuff. I think that's something that you don't normally get from bigger companies. And so I love that extra touch. I feel like it means so much when you're supporting a small business. And it means so much to me when I get cute little notes from small businesses. And it means a lot to me that I get to, you know, create content for small businesses as well. It warms my heart and I love it. So thank you so much, Peachi Plants, for sending me this little care package. I definitely needed this little ray of sunshine this week. I'm about to be hella trendy rolling up to the garden center with this bag. I have no shame in the game. I'm about to be hella trendy making videos about iced coffee with me also drinking this. Like, you guys just wait. There's about to be some serious content here. But yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate small businesses. I love women-owned businesses. I think that is phenomenal, amazing. Girl, get your bag. Yeah, I love it. And it's Peachi Plants with an I, by the way, because they're sassy and we love to see it. But yeah, you guys go check them out. Like, this is awesome. They have some really cute products and it's definitely worth a browse. Get some swag, you know, brighten up your own day. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you all very, very much. And I will see you next time. Bye.